Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the screen on your Dell Latitude 7440 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it can be a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your device repaired without any hassle. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Before working on the device, ensure you are grounded to avoid static damage. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for safety. Now, let's move to the screen assembly. Locate the screws securing the screen bezel. These are usually located on the bottom edge of the screen. Using your Phillips #0 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this can damage the plastic. If you encounter resistance, check for any missed screws. With the bezel removed, you will see the screen secured by more screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure about the process, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can rely on our expertise. Now, carefully tilt the screen forward and disconnect the video cable. This is usually a ribbon cable that requires a gentle tug to disconnect. Make sure to handle it delicately to avoid damage. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember, we can assist you with a quote before repair. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect the video cable first. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Then align the new screen with the mounting holes and replace the screws you removed earlier. After securing the screen, it's time to reattach the bezel. Align it carefully and press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely fastened. Replace the screws at the bottom of the bezel to finalize the installation. Before powering on your device, reinsert the battery. Now, connect the laptop to a power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you followed these steps and everything is working, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Dell Latitude 7440. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just reach out for assistance, and we'll handle it for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.